Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 7:19 in the morning. We are running 30 minutes late. और अभी actually I have Diya with me, who is the camera person holding the camera.
Hi
Diya
guys.
Yeah, okay. You guys must be knowing Diya by now. The vlog I will link it somewhere here. Go check that vlog. And today, इस road trip में I have some new people and some new faces. Which will be cool. We'll reveal it later. But right now we are going to pick up this friend of mine. Once he is on board, we are ready to go. सर जी को अभी टाइम ए भाई from the right currently something crazy happened. We were refilling the car. अभी कार को refill कर रहा था और गाड़ी इनका है, ठीक है, it's her car and she doesn't know if it's petrol or diesel. भैया जाके बोल रही है भैया पेट्रोल भर दो और भैया बोल रहा है कि डीजल का गाड़ी है. यहाँ से लेफ्ट है, राइट? Yes, this is the rasta. Alright, so currently we have taken the highway. Everybody is on board. We are pretty cool. We have a DIY music setup also because this car. Diya, why doesn't the car have a music setup?
It's a corporation ka car.
So it doesn't. Corporation people don't hear music.
No, they hear only radio.
So let's do one thing before I introduce my friends and tell you what's today's plan. You guys go and enjoy the intro. Can you see me? Can the camera see me? Oh, by the way, before I forget, like always, welcome to Sky Sight Sunday episode. Which episode? Five. All right. So अभी थोड़ा फुर्सत में टाइम मिला है. Let me tell you guys the entire plan. So जैसे ही मतलब लॉकडाउन मतलब अनलॉक स्टार्ट हो ना, अनलॉक 1 से ऐसा हमारा प्लान था कि यू नो वील गो फॉर अ रोड ट्रिप एंड वी वर प्लानिंग कि ऐसा कुछ बाहर का ट्रिप करना है. बट द थिंग इज इट वाज जस्ट नॉट हैपनिंग. बट फाइनली आई कुड यू नो मैनेज टू आस्क माई फ्रेंड्स और ऐसा एक प्लान बना एंड राइट नाउ इट्स अनलॉक 4. It was not your plan. It was completely not your plan. So we will get to that later. But right now it's unlock 4.0 going on in Kolkata. ऐसे suddenly हमारा एक दिन प्लान बन गया कि हम लोग एक रोड ट्रिप पे जाएंगे. अब कहाँ जाएंगे, क्या है उसका प्लान, कुछ नहीं पता. Suddenly out of nowhere this girl, this Diya, she comes yesterday. No, not day before yesterday. She's like, hey, why not go to this place named Taki? Now Taki is not like Taki Himmat wala gana, nothing. It's a place in Kolkata. It's actually out of the city. It is around 67 kilometers out of the city, and that is exactly where we are going right now. And today with me I have some new faces, like I said. So let me quickly introduce them, but before that गाड़ी थोड़ा आगे कर लेता हूँ. Alright, so let me quickly introduce. This is Diya. You guys have already seen.
Hi guys.
She is the apparent cameraman for the day. Whenever you are seeing me in a frame, it's either her holding the camera or no one else. Secondly, we have Debolina over there. Debolina,
Say hi.
quick introduction. Debolina, quick introduction.
Hi. Devna Chatterjee.
Not a bio. I'm saying introduction. Okay. Thirdly, we have Shorjo over there. Shorjo, quick introduction. Shorjo. Okay.
Better known as Zico.
Okay. Yeah. His what pen name is Zico? This is actually my first road trip with my friends. How are you guys excited? Like, tell me.
I am very excited because this is my plan, guys.
That's a lie. That's completely a lie. It can never be her plan. It's always me making plans. This
This is wonderful.
मैंने एक्चुअली घर से ब्रेकफास्ट भी करके नहीं निकला. Anybody of you had breakfast?
I had breakfast.
You had breakfast, that's why we are late. But I am really in a need of some chai, man. All right, so हमें finally एक चाय का दुकान मिला है. यार मतलब चाय के बिना ना ऐसे ना सुस्ती सी आती है, काम नहीं हो पाता चाय के बिना. What a question, दादा? You guys don't have chai. Why are you alive? We are done with around 50 kilometers. Around 16-17 kilometers are left. It's currently 9:17 in the morning. I'm expecting the time to reach Taki will be another 40 minutes. Let's keep a buffer of 1 hour. So by the time it's 10:17, we will reach Taki. Hey, are you guys done? 4 घंटे से चाय पी रहे हो. Let's get going. All right, so the car is parked. चलो, let's check in. अब होटल तो पहुंच गए. Now currently we just have to go and check in. हमार একটা room লাগবে. So all the room formalities is done. Everybody is super hungry. Hello. Say hi to the world. We are going to our rooms right now. Oh, nice. Nice room, huh? What I'm excited about is this. The view. Oh, this is the balcony. I'm excited for this. Oh, damn. Damn. Wow. Look at the view, guys. That river, that side of the river, you can see a little bit land over here. That is Bangladesh. All right. इसको हमारे इधर टोटो कहते हैं, कहीं तो टुक टुक भी कहते हैं ना, टुक टुक या ऑटो जो भी है. Anyways, so the plan is we are going to, the name of this place is Mini Sundarban. Sundarban, a lot of you might be knowing, it's a World Heritage Site. It's a mangrove forest. A smaller version of that mangrove forest is here in Taki. So we are going to see that. Taking the tickets. So we have reached Mini Sundarban और यहाँ घुसने के लिए पर हेड टिकट इज़ 10 रुपीज़. टिकट भी ले लिया है. अभी काफ़ी सुंदर सा जगह है ऐसे, मतलब एक इस जगह का सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशलिटी पता है क्या है? हम लोग जब सिटी से आ रहे हैं इतना ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी है. द ग्रीनरी इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू शुड कम हियर फॉर. ये जो ताज़ी हवा है और जो ग्रीनरी का एक सेंस है ना, ये कभी एक्सपीरियंस करने को नहीं मिलता इन द एंटायर सिटी लाइफ. This is actually the main mangrove forest. You can see all the roots are coming up from the ground. That's the principle of mangrove. Bio student. Fast.
Mangrove is basically a plant which has breathing.
Too much information. You could have found this on Google also, but
Stay at school, study bio.
this entire place is almost like a pit stop. Like there's like a hut kind of a thing made over here. See, it's like an entire hut kind of a place. और ये pit stop है. You see the mangrove forest from here, and then you go back. इन लड़कियों का देखो, सिर्फ picture. Bro, how many pictures do we click in a day? Hardly like 1 or 2, 3 pictures. Yeah. भैया एक जगह में,
that is because
एक जगह में you have
that
clicked
is
100
because-
pictures.
That is because हम लोग रेडी होके आए हैं पिक्चर खींचने के लिए, तुम लोग नहीं आए हो.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, you have traveled more almost like 80 kilometers just to click pictures. Are all girls like this? Comment down below, let me know. I really need to know this because if it's true for all girls, there is clearly something wrong.
Nothing.
All right, so we are back to our tuk-tuk. दादा हम कोথায় যাচ্ছি? So we are going to this place called Puberbari. Poob means what? West, right? Poob means east. Poob means east in Bengali, and it's the eastern side of a house. Bari means house. So basically this place is the royal family in Taki used to stay in that. It's basically a palace. Right now it's a tourist destination, of course. There are families over there renting that particular place, for recreational and tourist purposes. But right now I don't think it's under any such family. So we'll just go. I have some contacts over there. I'll just call them up. And I'm excited to visit this place because I have heard a lot about this Rajbari. Rajbari means a king's palace.
10 months out of 12 months, I also live in a King's Palace only.
Why?
My hostel's name is King's Palace 10B.
Oh, your hostel's name is King's Palace.
And I live in a Queen's Palace, Queen's Castle. Queen's
मतलब
Castle.
चल क्या रहा है ये, कहाँ कौन सा कॉलेज में हो भाई लोग तुम? हाँ, हम लोग पहुँच तो गए लेकिन अभी पता नहीं, बिकॉज अभी यहाँ जो लोग रहते हैं, सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली द एंटायर राजबाड़ी. अभी यहाँ जो लोग रहते हैं उनके साथ मेरे मामा का बात हो चुका है बिकॉज दे नो ईच अदर. लेकिन अभी बोलना किसको है कि आई हैव कम फ्रॉम कोलकाता एंड व्हाटएवर. क्या अच्छे हैं दादा, क्यों अच्छे? देयर इज एन एंटायर पैलेस एंड अ ओल्ड एंड ब्रोकन पैलेस ओवर हियर and nobody is here. I came here, knowing कि there's a family staying over here. और मैंने मामा ने बात भी किया फैमिली के साथ और मुझे बोला कि मुझे आके यहाँ बताना है कि मैं कोलकाता से आया हूँ and I know these people. But the entire place is empty. And obviously you can make it out by the structure that in the olden times this was a palace and the king used to stay here. But I still don't know who to talk to. Anyways, since I'm not getting anybody to talk to over here, I'll give you a tour of this place. So let's play some cinematics. So this place is actually where the Durga Pratima is made, and obviously this entire place. I mean, this just makes me wonder, when this place was actually a palace and the king used to stay here with his family, how beautiful this place would have been. I don't know who owns this place. अगर sir, ma'am, आप ये vlog देख रहे हो, so I couldn't take your permission and I'm sorry for that because there was nobody over here. But this place is amazing. हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा. We have taken a lot of cinematics, you guys must have seen by now. But I mean, so beautiful, right? So beautiful. There should be some security.
Yeah.
I mean, I am coming here, I am shooting, I know people, but the gate was open. So whoever is watching this, if you're from here, please, ma'am, sir, whoever you are, make sure there's some proper security because this place is just amazing. What is the plan now? Do you guys want to go lunch? Very tiring day. But life, a nice one, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Everybody looks tired.
Worth it.
Yeah, absolutely worth it. अभी थोड़ा fresh होके we'll go have some lunch. ठीक है? Right? That's the plan? Cool. Whew. That was a heavy lunch. सब लोगों ने खाना वाना खा लिया और अभी हम लोग बस होटल के बाहर, हमारा होटल बस वही है. Like ये जो वॉल है इसके पीछे हमारा होटल है. ये जो रिवर है, this is called Ichamodi and that side of the river is Bangladesh. This is the main attraction of Taki basically. और ये हमारे होटल से बस बिल्कुल बगल में था. So before going away from this place, before going back to our city life, हम लोगों ने ये सोचा कि एक बार यहाँ आया जाए and to explore the peace of this place. And if I keep quiet and just stand here, just hear the silence and the wind, just hear it. There is absolutely pin drop silence over here. Nobody talking, nothing, no, pollution, no honking of cars, nothing. Just us and the sound of the water. If you are from Kolkata or even if you are not, you visit Kolkata, you have some time to spare, I tell you, come and visit this place. ये सिर्फ कोलकाता मेन सिटी से 2 घंटा दूरी पे 2-2.5 घंटे में you'll reach over here. बहुत ही calm, smooth place है. It was not at all a tough place to visit. You know, खर्चा भी बहुत ही कम है. The Toto and all, it just costed us 500 rupees and the room was I think 800 rupees a day. By the way, it's the golden hour right now and I am guessing, I can't see, but the light in all our faces is wonderful. How was the day, guys? How was your experience?
It was fulfilling.
है ना? We had an amazing time.
Border of the country.
Yeah,
Border of
right,
the country.
right.
That side is Bangladesh.
You get to see the neighboring country. And yeah, so on that note, we had a great day. I hope you liked the video. If you do like the video, hit that like button. Drop the comment down below if you have such a place in your city, or if you just like the vlog. Just please do let me know your valuable comments. And on that note, this is Captain Sky. This is Diya.
Mukherjee.
This is
Giorgio.
and just say hi, Devolina. She's too busy. She's just too busy. All of us signing off. Bye bye. Devolina, vlog has ended. Abhi hi bol do.
Hi.